humid with lows in the upper 50s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20.
Oh my god! I did not see that coming.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, east central Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Hampton County in western Massachusetts until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
What the hell was
At
that noise?
1:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Brimfield, or 17 miles east of Springfield, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Southbridge, Palmer, Spencer, Ware, Sturbridge, Monson, Rutland, Barry, Warren, Paxton, North Brookfield, Hubbardston, West Brookfield, Brimfield, Princeton, Brookfield, Hardwick, Holland, East Brookfield, and Oakham. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts,
expect
central
that
Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, until
I mean,
2:30 p.m.
of course,
Eastern Daylight Time.
flooding is the predominant threat of this wind,
over Brimfield, or
but as you
17
can
miles east of
imagine,
Springfield, moving north at 30 miles per hour.
a general
Hazards
thunderstorm
include 60 miles
risk,
per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail.
as in the
Expect damage to
storm
trees and
risk
power lines.
that
Locations
is
impacted
below
include
marginal.
Southbridge, Palmer, Spencer, Ware, Sturbridge,
Yeah,
Monson,
that
Rutland,
does
Barry,
not
Warren,
mean
Paxton, North
severe
Brookfield, Hubbardston,
thunderstorms
West Brookfield,
are
Brimfield,
ruled
Princeton,
out
Brookfield, Hardwick,
completely.
Holland, not drawn through
I
flooded
will be
roads or
keeping an
underpasses.
eye out
Flood watch remains in
on
effect
the
from this
weather
afternoon through Wednesday
for
evening.
any flash
Flooding
flood
caused by excessive
warnings that
rainfall
get
continues
issued
to be
today.
possible in counties
Not
in
just
western
flash flood
Massachusetts,
warnings,
as well as Hartford and
but
Collin
or
counties in northern Connecticut.
something like
When,
an
from this
aerial
afternoon
flood
through Wednesday evening.
warning. Great.
The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire, Hillsborough County in southern New Hampshire, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Peterborough to near Pelham, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Manchester, Nashua, Derry, Henniker, Merrimack, Salem, Bedford, Milford, Hooksett, Amherst, Litchfield, Hollis, Peterborough, New Boston, Antrim, Mount Vernon, Greenfield, Lynn Boyle, Francetown, and Bennington. This includes the following highways: Interstate 293 between mile markers 1 and 10. Interstate 93 between mile markers 1 and 23. This also includes North Pack Monadnock.
I was pretty much expecting that. It is pouring outside again. I've been waiting for this for quite a while. And it's been raining. Wait. I think it's starting to get heavier now. I think it's also getting windy again. There are so going to be flash flood warnings later. like, you could just imagine it. Alright. Oh yeah, it's getting heavier now. That rain's getting heavier now. Okay. It's kind of hard to tell how much it's raining because it's a line. Okay. I like the wind is like getting stronger too. It seems. Alright. Oh yeah, the rain's gone heavier. Very heavy. Wow. I love rain. I love watching the rain. Ignore any background noise, by the way. Just ignore any background noise. Look how much rain has fallen. Just look. Like, yeah. Yeah, that whole windowsill is completely soaked. I don't know when I'll get back to my regular activities, but hopefully it'll be by tomorrow. Like I said, I would not be surprised if flash flood warnings get issued, even if someone are from Massachusetts and not here in Rhode Island, and not here in Rhode Island. Alright. Guess the rain is lighting up a little bit. Yeah, that's what it looks like. listen to that. Like, what car is that noise coming from? Is it coming from some Jeep or something? I don't know.
Then clearing. A chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight.
Okay.
Lows in the lower 60s.
Flash flood warning.
Northwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain. The National Weather Service in Norton has issued a flash flood warning for southern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, central Hampton County in western Massachusetts, southwestern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazards include flash flooding caused by heavy rain, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Springfield, Chicopee, Enfield, Westfield, Holyoke, Amherst, Northampton, Agawam, West Springfield, Ludlow, South Hadley, East Hampton, Longmeadow, Suffield, East Longmeadow, Wilbraham, Somers, Southwick, Granby, and Southampton. Up to 20 miles an hour. Sunday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers. Lows in the lower... Flood warning in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Areas affected include portions of central and western Massachusetts, including the following counties: in central Massachusetts, Worcester; in western Massachusetts, Franklin, Hampton, and Hampshire. When? Until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts include flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. At 4:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Chicopee, Amherst, Northampton, Greenfield, Orange, Deerfield, Ludlow, South Hadley, Belchertown, Palmer, Octal, Ware, Montague, Granby, Barry, Hadley, Warren, West Brookfield, Sunderland, and Brimfield. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Southeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Hampton County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Springfield, Chicopee, Enfield, Amherst, Ludlow, South Hadley, Longmeadow, East Longmeadow, Ellington, Belchertown, Wilbraham, Palmer, Stafford, Athol, Summers, Ware, Monson, Granby, Hadley and Hampton.